the inspectors see. And yeah, it makes it look good.
So then these ones, you guys don't use a battery then at all?
Not your system. You can integrate the battery with the system, but and then same thing here. Like as you do it more and more, dog, you'll see. But there's many ways to do this. But what I do is it's already got its little curve. So sometimes the curve is down. So sometimes I'll do it down. But the curve is up. So I gotta notch this out, and you see how it's going that way. So what I'll do is I'll fish it through here like that through the back. So when I notch it right here, it just has that clean loop going to the back. See that? Versus like some other shit that you have to do done. Little things, little things inspectors see, bro. And that's the only reason I do it. I know they're seeing it. And they'll be like, damn. I get good wire management all the time. Like all the time. It's like, oh shit, that's some clean up wire management. Alright, that's clean. I don't fucking see it. So I do it for this.
I like how you cut that.
Well, that's because he has to make a contact right there.
No, the technique of it though, that show's good.
Oh yeah. It's little things, always just repetitive shit. And you'll have it come back, and then you'll be doing the same shit. Just for now, hold it in place. This is just like a finishing a little baby, fucking tiny one, but really you shouldn't be tightening it with that. Yeah.
Like that little one.
Tighten it with this one. And nice and tight. And I'll kind of tuck it under here. See, like. This is considered the line side. And what I'll do here is I'll pull the ring. Once I got it tightened here, I got this one. I started here for a reason. So when I come here, I know where my slack is at. I know I can pull whatever from this point going forward. For my white, I could come over here and I could pull my white because the white doesn't do nothing. It's just a neutral. It goes straight there. And then, so coming from the solar side is the line side. And if you look at this, the line side goes to the top and the load goes to the bottom. The load is coming from the solar. So for instance, this is the line side, and you always do black. I mean, there's not really. This is just like the black always goes to the left. So what I do is I'm gonna measure my little loop. I see that's where I want to cut it. I'll cut it. Pull my shit back. Open up my shit. Set my line side.
The line usually on the top, or there's some that has on the
no,
bottom?
it's always on the top. For solar, I can't speak for like other shit 'cause I don't know. So boom, black always on the left, and then red on the right. So I know like pretty much right above my tape is where I'm gonna land. So what I'll do is I'll pull some out. I know like that much is gonna stick out. You don't have to, dog. You just need a few inches.
Yeah.
But this is just to
Be safer.
You know what I mean? It's just like, yeah, this is just. get to the end, like real, I know, like I'm gonna cut it right there. So I'll do maybe like 2 loops around. See, I kind of do like 2 little loops. And then what I'll do is pull this. If there was somebody electric key find out, you don't.